My pinky collapses when I try to reach for octaves. What should I do? What do I do if my pinky collapses when I play slow and loud on the piano? Submitted by Chan Samuel 63, and this is the answer. Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Lucian Liu. Welcome to Easy Piano Hacks Q&A. This one right here, the pinky. This guy. Finger number 5 is naturally a weaker finger. We can strengthen it with all kinds of drills and exercises like Hanen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. These are exercises that you should be doing every day. If you're trying to actually build up your technical ability in your fingers, I warmed up with Hanen. One new exercise of Hanen every week or 2 weeks for 10 years, from 2000 all the way to 2010. So I highly recommend jumping in, getting to from Hanen number 1 all the way to exercise number 31. All of those have value to build up the agility and strength in your fingers, in your hands, in your forearms. Okay, but now first, in regards to your question, we first have to check your form. This pinky can be used in a few different ways. There's the edge of the pinky, right? That's finger number 5. You use the edge of the pinky as well as the point of the finger. On 2, 3, and 4 here, 2, 3, and 4, these guys, you use the point. See how you use the thumb here? This thumb, we use the edge more than we use this point up here, right? To play the piano. So same thing. At the beginning, my pinky is actually quite straight like this to play most keys when I'm playing within reach. I may have like to reach something really high, and then I might use the point, right? So use the edge. It's not a karate chop, right? It's not a karate chop, but it is the edge of this pinky, this flat part. All right, that we're using. So check your form there. The last thing I want you to do is hurt your fingers, right? So don't bang the keys, don't bang the fingers, all right, on the keys. It won't sound great, it'll sound too harsh, and you might hurt yourself. So don't do that, all right? Not responsible for any injury, okay? So if your pinky is collapsing, that means we just gotta help you work on your strength, okay? You work on there's exercises, which is why I brought up Hanen. So Hanen number 31 is the one I want you to try. So work your way through, do Hanen number 1 in the beginning, right? Hanen number 1, get to know what these exercises mean. It's just a pattern you repeat over and over, up and down. And then when you get to Hanen number 31, you'll find yourself working that pinky because it goes 1, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, and then all over and over. So there's all kinds of fun stuff you can do that. Work on Hanen, do one exercise, work on, for the entire week, you do that one exercise. If you master it, then you let yourself go to Hanen number 2, okay? And you use the metronome when you do this, okay? Maybe at the beginning you're still learning, okay. But once you have it down, please use the metronome and count while you play, all right? If you have any other questions, you know where to find me. Instagram, DMs. Also, Discord is open. I'm doing live Q&A, one-on-one feedback. Taking 10 students for the VIP training. Okay, if you want to get from a decent level, you know how to read music. If you know how to read music and you're trying to take yourself to the next level, you want to be able to play the viral piano pieces that I've been able to get some attention from, and you want to do that too. You want to also play in public. This is an accelerated transformational course, 30 to 60 days, depending on your skill level, okay? We are taking 10 students. It's by application. Check out the link below and send me an email if you have a story to tell, all right? So see you in the next one. All kinds of questions, send them through. You got questions, I got answers. Lucian Liu from Easy Piano Hacks, signing out.